Here are the top 3 things that I learned trying to get 100 paid downloads from my iOS app in a week. So the first thing is that you really have to target the right target market, because I was spending a lot of time on Hacker News, X, coding discords, and like startup Reddits, but this wasn't really time well spent because my app specifically is a game. And so I needed to target families, teens, and parents, which I was not doing. The second thing is show, don't tell. You have to show people how your product is valuable instead of just telling them. So for my case specifically, I have a party game, and it's really fun when you play with your friends and your family, but just saying that you're challenged to make like a short story using 5 words, it just really doesn't get the point across. So if possible, you should try to actually show that product in use so that your target audience can see why it's valuable. And the third thing is that put yourself in their shoes. So if I think back to everything I did, I mean, it was great, and I did try to add a lot of value in several ways, but at the same time, if I would have come across myself, I probably would have just left like on a post, or maybe just left a supportive comment, but I wouldn't have downloaded the app. And that's not because that I wasn't trying or that people are just mean. That's just because it's hard to sell stuff. And it's really your job to show the other person that your product is so valuable that they really need it in their life. And so although I didn't get 100 downloads in a week, I did learn a lot from this process. And if you found something of value, please let me know in a comment.